We all have our passions, our dreams, and our needs. One of these might be to live in a warm, comfortable, and cozy home, in sync with nature. Pellets are an increasingly popular eco-sustainable source of energy. MCZ has made them even more convenient and practical to heat your entire home with a single stove. MCZ stoves featuring the active system adapt automatically to all different types of pellet. Thanks to an internal sensor, air is automatically adjusted according to the quantity of pellets in the firebox. Combustion is thus more efficient, with lower consumption levels, less pollution, and less residue. The temperature can be adjusted on a practical remote control, fitted with a room thermostat. Using the same remote control, you can set the programmed on and off times to suit your own requirements. Stoves can have up to 5 days running time with just a single load of pellets. The benefits of pellet stoves can also affect other rooms in your home. The Comfort Air system carries hot air up to 8 meters away with an outlet temperature of up to 80 degrees centigrade. Unlike other systems, Comfort Air outlets can be positioned according to personal taste, high up near the ceiling or down by the floor for perfect styling. Thanks to 2 independent electronically adjusted fans, Comfort Air makes for accurate control of heat diffusion. The ducts have a smaller diameter to minimize any masonry work required. Consequently, the Comfort Air system is easy to install in any architectural setting, on 1 or more stories. Installation of MCZ pellet stoves is also much easier. Combustion is always efficient, and the advantages can be felt. MCZ pellet stoves featuring the hydro system can be used to heat the water in your radiators as well as the water in any underfloor heating. Thanks to its electronic controls, operation and programming are extremely simple. And thanks to the efficiency of the hydro system, radiators warm up in just a few minutes. 90% of the stove's heat output is transferred to the water in the central heating circuit. The high power models heat the central heating system and also produce domestic hot water. MCZ technology even makes it possible to use pellets in the existing hearth of classic houses. The Powerbox system heats more, consumes and pollutes less, and can run for up to 5 days on a single load of pellets. MCZ pellet systems, a world of advantages for people who care about their home and about our planet.